Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be decorating a table for two in white and gold. Come on with me, guys. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while or even from the very beginning, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, today is Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. It's hosted every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, on Tablescape Tuesdays, it's any style, color, or theme, unless there's a guest coming in, and then the guest gets to choose what color, style, or theme. Isn't that awesome? Now, today we do have a guest, and she is Mercy Beauty of Styles. She is an amazing content creator. You have to go over to her channel. If you haven't been over to visit her, please go over there, subscribe, and show her some love. Now, as in all collaborations, I ask you to practice YouTube etiquette. And if you have any questions regarding any of the collaborations, including Tablescape Tuesdays, make sure and head on over to my community tab or send me a message. Now, I'm going to be playing a little bit of music and I'll be in and out of the video. Now let's take a look at the tablescape. So the tablecloth was a thrifted item that came from the Salvation Army. The runner was also thrifted, and I believe I got that at the Goodwill. So those beautiful peonies in the center, those flowers, they came from the Dollar Tree. It is hard to believe that I can get such huge flowers there, but look how beautiful they look. Then we have the tapered candles, and those came from the Dollar Tree. The Christmas trees, the crystal Christmas trees, they came from Dollar General, believe that or not. I couldn't believe I saw that. And then we have the placemats. So the placemats, I got them at an Asian place down the street from my home, and the chargers did come from Hobby Lobby. Now, the dinner plate came from the Dollar Tree, but the salad plate came from Home Goods. Now the glassware came from Dollar Tree and the flatware came from Aldi's. Absolutely gorgeous. Now those cloth napkins did come with the tablecloth when I purchased them. Now, Mercy, I put this together for you and I hope that you love it. So let's head on over to the reveal. So Mercy, I celebrate you today. I hope that you enjoyed this video and thank you for coming in as the guest of Tablescape Tuesdays. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. I also want to thank all of the participants who joined in to Tablescape Tuesdays, either by watching or by joining in. Have a happy holiday, guys. God bless.